Hi. I'm going to tell you how to make safer drinking water using 3 pots and a cloth. First, find 3 large pots or jugs. Clean the first pot or jug. Boil it in water. Put a cloth over to top of pot 1 and slowly pour water through the cloth into the pot. Let the water sit overnight in a dark place. Cover the top if you can with something clean. Clean your second jug by boiling it in water if possible. Pour the water slowly from pot 1 into pot 2. Clean pot 1 again. Slowly pour water from your water source into pot 1 using a clean cloth to filter out dirt. Let the water sit overnight in both pots. Remember, always keep the pots in a place without sunlight. Clean the third pot by boiling it if possible. Pour the water slowly from pot 2 into pot 3 using a clean cloth as a filter. Clean pot 2 by boiling if possible. Slowly pour water from pot 1 into pot 2 using a clean cloth if possible. Clean pot 1 by boiling it if possible. Pour water from your water source slowly into pot 1 using a clean cloth as a filter. Let the water sit overnight in all 3 pots. On the third day, you can drink water from pot 3. When pot 3 is empty, clean it. After cleaning pot 3, slowly pour water from pot 2 into pot 3 using a clean cloth as a filter. Clean pot 2 by boiling it in water if possible. After cleaning pot 2, slowly pour the water from pot 1 into pot 2. Clean pot 1 once it is empty. Refill pot 1 with water from your water source using a clean cloth if possible. Let the water in all 3 pots sit overnight in a dark place. Repeat these steps as long as you need to in order to have safer water to drink. Let me tell you why this works. When the water sits in the pots, the dirt particles sink to the bottom. By pouring the water slowly from one pot to the next, the dirt particles stay in the bottom of the pot you are pouring from. Most germs that can make you sick die if there is no sunlight for 48 hours. That's why it is important to keep the pots of water in the dark.